Holiness. This is an award that represents what you've done.
Our life began from mother's womb. We already equipped compassion, affection. Mother's affection, without that, we can't survive. So, as soon as we're born, mother pay most important attention. And ourselves also. So wrong, mother there, you have the feeling, I can cry. Without a mother, then truly helpless. So, therefore, we usually used to say, all sentient being is our mother sentient being. Mainly, example, this very life, our immediate sort of contact with mother, strong feeling. This feeling should extend towards all sentient being. Then it is possible. We can create truly peaceful world. There is no point to say these are our enemy. No. We all, you see, brothers, sisters.
Thank you.